Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let A belongs to real number and A be a matrix of order 3 cross 3 great such that determinant of A is minus 4. So, they have already given you determinant of A. And A plus I equals this. Okay. So, first you know that where I is the identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. So first try to find out the exact matrix A. So can I write A equals 1, 2, A, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2. So this is a matrix. Can I subtract identity from here? Okay, means I this side. Now, in place of I, can I go with 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1? Okay, now let's simplify things. So we will be left with 0, A, 1, 2, 0, 0, A, 1, 1. So we are left with this matrix. So this is our A, and we need to find out this A. Okay, so let's do that. You know that determinant of A is minus 4. So can I find out the determinant of A? So determinant of A will be 0 into something minus A times 2 minus 0, then plus 1 time 2 minus 0. So, and in reality determinant of A is minus 4, so I'll use that result. So it is minus 2A and then plus 2. So can I ask this person to go this side and this person to come this side? So we will be left with 2A equals 6. Therefore, A equals to 3. Okay. So we got our A. Now, you know that this thing is given. So let's simplify things. So can I write determinant of this thing A plus 1? So A is 3. So it is 4 times adjoint 3 minus 1, 2A. Okay. So we need to solve this thing. First, we will ask this 2 to come outside. Okay. We know that adjoint of k times A is equal to k to the power n minus 1 adjoint A. So I'll ask this 2 to come outside. You know that the order is 3. So 3 minus 1 will become 2. Okay, so 2 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 2 will become 4. So 4 and 4 we will be left with 16. So 16 times adjoint A. Now you know that this 16 is being multiplied with all the elements of this matrix, and now you are taking determinant. So this 16 will be taken outside and it will be taken outside from every row. You know that it is 3 cross 3 matrix. So there would be 3 rows. So 16 power 3 determinant of adjoint A. Now you are also aware of this property, determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant of A power n minus 1 power k, where k represents the number of times you have written adjoint. Here adjoint is written only once, so k will become 1. So can I write down this thing as 16 power 3 times determinant of A to the power n minus 1. N is 3. So 3 minus 1 will become 2. Correct? Now, so look at this thing. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now look at this part. Determinant of A is what? 4. So 4 square will become 16. So can I say that it is 16 to the power 3 times 16, so it will become 16 power 4. Correct? Now look at this thing, how we will solve. So you know that the answer is already given. Answer is 2 power m into 3 power n. You know that here 3 is absent, so it will become n 3 to the power 0. Okay, so n is 0. Okay, and it is also allowed in this part. Okay, now we have to focus on m. So this 16, can I write this thing as 2 to the power 4? Okay, so 2 to the power 4 to the power 4 will become 2 power 16. Correct? And 2 to the power m. So m will become 16. So m is 16, n is 0. So m plus n will become what? 16. Therefore, the required value is 16. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So, see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.